My name is Allan Discua Cruz, and I am currently the director of the Center for Family Business at Lancaster University. The Center for Family Business specializes in understanding family businesses not only locally but also internationally. We're extremely interested to understand what makes family businesses not only survive but really become successful anywhere. One of the key interests we have is understanding what happens to family firms when they face different crises or issues, or they face problems over time. The reason for that is that we have actually found that they develop some abilities to really come back and not only react to the issues or the problems, but at the same time develop ways and strategies to overcome obstacles that last throughout time. And that's why we are interested in topics such as resilience, because we are sure that businesses around the world that are controlled and owned by families face issues all the time. Some of these issues might come not only from the environment or from the places where they are located, but also from the family system. And sometimes when these two items combine, it demands that they develop a resilient way to respond, not only for their family, but for the business and the community. And that is why we are interested in these topics today.